you know, in the future, I'm not finna just be plopping these wigs on my head like that. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again. We're gonna get straight into it. I do have a lot of information I need to give y'all before I get into the video. If you're like me and you don't really care about that and you just want to see, go ahead and click here at this timestamp, and it'll take you straight to the tutorial. If you want to see what was going on, stay tuned and keep listening. Alright y'all, so this is my second time filming this video. I don't know what has been going on, but actually I know exactly what's going on. I got ahead of myself, okay? I've been feeling real cute with these little wigs or whatever, but gluing a wig down and just putting a wig on are two completely different things. I even tried manifestation and trying to manifest it. Listen, manifestation is one thing, delusion is another, and baby, I was delusional as hell yesterday, okay? Because I thought I could glue this down and it didn't work at all. I looked crazy. But anyway, so couple things. I essentially put on a wig cap, glued it down, and then tried to put the wig on like everybody else does, and for some reason it just did not work. Like, you could see the wig cap, and again, like everyone knows, as I stated in all of my videos, I'm still very new to wigs, so I'm still learning how to do things. But like, people make it seem so easy, and so I was like, oh, I can watch a couple videos and I'll figure it out. No, like I still need to practice. And so this tutorial has gone from a how I lay my wigs video to how I just installed this really cute wig without gluing it down. Also, I messed up because I thought that in the description when you purchase a wig, when it says, hey, you know, it's glueless and it's pre-plucked, that you don't have to do anything. No, you still gotta bleach them knots. I still can see the knots and I still have not plucked it and it looks a mess. And also, if you want to see how I was struggling, here's a clip, okay? Look at that. Foolishness. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's a clip, okay? You see the wig cap? Do you see that? It's just disgusting. It was disgusting. I got to a point where I just took it off. I was like, for what? For what? So I did what I could with what I knew at the time. I think it still looks pretty decent. I think I still look cute, but you know, in the future, I'm not finna just be plopping these wigs on my head like that. I got away with the bob last week. Can't do that with wigs like this. But anyway, so hair details. This is from Unice. This hair is incredible. It's extremely soft. I'm getting very minimal shedding. It's everything. It's very pretty. I feel like I will do it justice if I do what I'm supposed to with the actual hair. So, you know, that's going to be a thing in itself. Also, some clips from yesterday that I filmed were actually very beneficial, like how I cut the lace on the wig. I think I did decent with that. So I'm actually going to include that in this video. So there's going to be a mixture of shots. Some shots I'm going to have makeup on and look cute. Some shots I'm going to look like who did it and why. Also, you probably are going to see a variation of attitude because I got some very disturbing information yesterday that really ticked me off, okay? I was very upset yesterday. So that's probably another reason why the filming didn't work. I was just in a very terrible mood yesterday. So today, I'm, you know, just better and refreshed. So thank you for sticking through this long tangent of just information that you probably didn't want to hear about, but I feel like it's important to understand why I was struggling. So again, thank you for watching. Enjoy. Alright, so we're going to jump straight into it because I cannot bear to sit on camera and look at myself like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put her on. Don't judge the way this cap is laid either, alright y'all? I'm still learning. Alright, this is tight. I think it's because my head is really big. She's on. Now I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the lace. To cut my lace, I usually go for my shears or this little razor guy here. I think you can get these at the dollar store for like $1. I don't know. So first things first, what I'm going to do is pin the hair back out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, pin her back. Just pin her back. Okay, and then the parts in the front, I just like to take this clamp and get any of the excess hair out of the way. This side. Okay, so now you have an open canvas pretty much. So I'm gonna pull it down where I think I want my leg to lay. I'm just gonna cut here, here at the arch of my eyebrow, and here at the other arch of my eyebrow. That way I can break it down into segments. Okay, y'all, I'm so nervous. Like, I don't know, like this is like my biggest fear, one of them, doing a wig on camera. Like, I just don't want to mess up. I don't want to make myself look foolish. I don't want to get dragged. But I know we all have to start from somewhere, so I'm gonna give myself grace. All right, so I'm gonna use this to cut the lace. I'm just gonna try to be as slow and tedious as possible. I'm just gonna cut close, but also leave a little room for error when I am laying the wig. And I'm gonna do that over here. Well, first, before I do that, I need to find where my ear is. What you want to do is go ahead and cut out the ear flap. You see, like, my ear is right here. You want to be able to hear when you wear a wig, so you got to cut out an ear flap. So what I'm going to do is find where my ear starts. Dang, okay. So my ear starts about right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. That's about where I need to cut my ear flap at. I'm going to take this and kind of meet her halfway. This is so ghetto. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut into the wig. Okay, so I'm going to cut a little further. Okay, so that is where my wig is. Okay, so you see I just opened up the space for my ear. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this ear flap off, or this lace off. Okay. Slowly. I don't know why I'm going so fast. About to mess everything up. There we go. Oh my God, I messed it up. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. See, you gotta go slow with this or you're gonna ruin it. Okay. I cut some hair, but it's okay. It's alright. Okay, do the exact same thing on this side and then I'll come back, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is lay the wig on top. So I'm gonna take my hot comb and press out the tops of my hair so that it can lay flat, okay? Okay, so now that I've flattened it, I'm going to go back through and put the foam on top like I usually do. My Nairobi Rapid Shine foam. And then after that, after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and go through with the hot comb again. And then we can move on to the finishing parts. Okay, so I'm done straightening the hair. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. However, you can't see where the roots or the part starts and where the hair ends, I guess. So I'm going to take some concealer. Again, I did not pluck or bleach the knots because in the description it said it was glueless and like pre-plucked. So, but obviously I'm wrong and I'm still learning. So we're going to go ahead and start doing it. Okay, so obviously that looks a little better, but kind of too crazy. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go through with my fingers and just kind of rub it in a little bit so it looks a little bit more seamless, especially like on the sides, because I kind of got it on the hair by accident, but that's okay. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Thank you for bearing with me. I know this was a lot. This was a very hard video to film because I was going through a lot while filming it, so thank you for just sticking through and watching. Again, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. And also follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of like the content that I'm going to be posting on YouTube on my Instagram before I post it, if that makes sense. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.